Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work with string slicing. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we discussed about strings, that is how to write string in single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, and many more we discussed in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go to that and learn what is strings. And now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about string slices. Just close this file and create a new Python file which is called string slicing. What is meant by string slicing? Generally we all of us know the name, it was there in the have the meaning, but that is called cutting the string. Slicing means cutting, that means apple was cutting the pieces, like that string also we are cutting the pieces, that is called very easy, that is called string slicing. So if I take the name, if I take suppose example which is hello world, you can see I taken the example which is called hello world. Just I name it as name, whatever what the variable. So you can see it is called string which was there like hello world, and h is, so like in C it was starting from 0. The index was starting from 0, like here also the index was starting from 0. So h is called 0 at index, and e is called 1, l is called 2, and other l is called 3, and o is called 4, and the space is also countable, it is called 5, and 6 7 whatever it may be. So continuous. So this is the space. If you given anything which is can be taken like this one is also called as string, and this all counts into a index. So now how we can cut the pieces, that is how the string will be slicing. So just you can see I already said the starting position will be like 0, right? So the starting position will be 0. Just I'll print like 0, you can see what is the output. So because I already said the index will be starting from 0 1 2 3 and 4. So now I'll give the name of, just I'll give, instead of like if you want like fifth sixth space, so just I'll give, you can see that is w. So fifth space is space and sixth one is called w. So if I give like 5, you can observe, so nothing was, the space was printing. So this is all about a string was slicing. The if you want any letter you can take from string. This is all about positive indexing. So what is meant by negative indexing? So you can see that the semicolon can be called as -1 and -2, and L can be called as -3, and O can be called as -4, -5, -6, up to continuous. So this is about negative index. Generally will not start from -0, right? So it's back onwards, it starts from -1. Suppose if I want to print like -1, you can see like I'm writing print. So print name, so generally I'll print like -1. You can see how the, we can see that we are getting like exclamatory mark. So if I give like -3 or 4, you can see you will get like O. So this is about minus indexing. Want to get like hello. So just slice like name, just you can slice like up to 0 to 5, right? 0 1 2 3 4. So that is called 0 to 5. Just give 0 to 5, yeah, and run, and you can see hello. So this is the way to slice the string very easily. And if you want like uh, hello, and if you want like h l o alternate symbols, what we want to do? So we want like alternate symbols to print. So I want like h l o, next w l exclamatory. So this is the way to print. That means you want like uh one letter after one letter. So just make like two columns and just give like two, and you can see if you want to printing that other words. So this is the way to print one after one letter. So this is the syntax to that. So I'm giving that two spaces, that means take one letter and leave next letter and just print another index. And if you want like -2, if I give like same thing, if I give like -2, you can observe I'll get the output like exclamatory, and next one is L, next one is W, and so on. We can check how it was working. Now you can check. Yes, of course. L, W, yes, of course. So this is the way, that means negative onwards I'm starting to print. And we'll work more like if you want to print two characters in a string. So what is that? So I want only these two characters. How to print that? So just like name, so I want only two characters to print. So 0 to 2, you can see HE, and last two characters in a string, how to do that? So last two characters, so just give, instead of that last two characters, -2. So if you give -2, we are getting like only 0, 1, or -1, -2, will get like only D, right? I won't get last two letters, which is called exclamatory and D. So for that, what we need to just give colon, and just you can see I'll get like last two letters. So now I want to copy and paste, because always going to up, which is very difficult to me. And now if you want like fifth character, what you want to do that? If you want only the fifth character from this, so just copy, instead of writing, just paste it here. So I want like fifth character, which is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is called space. So how to write that? So how to write, just you can give the fifth character, automatically you give the 5. Of course, if you write, of course you'll get the space. Now you want like get from fifth character. So if you want like world, so you want to get like up to fifth character, from fifth character onwards you need to get that. So for that you need to write like colon, just you can write the colon. Yes, you can see the space as well as word. So this is the, that means you are accessing up to fifth character to at last. How to reverse the string? So just do that, reverse the string. So just give -1 colon colon. So we are reversing the string, which is hello world. So just give -1. Yeah, you can see my string was reversed here. Hello world was reversed. So this is the way to reverse a string. And next one is accessing last two characters. So if you want to access that only last two characters in a reverse, so you want to access last two characters, these two characters in a reverse. So how we can do that? Just you can see I'm accessing last two characters, which is reverse. So you can see that, which is reverse. -1, that is I'm taking last character, and I'm reversing up to -3, and up to again I want to print only -1. You can see I reversed my characters, which we can see that hello world I'm printing this one, and which is reversed. So this is the way to reverse the characters. I hope it was very clear about string slicing, and we are having methods of string slicing. So I'll come with another video about how to how many methods was there related to string slicing. So I hope everyone has enjoyed this tutorial. Let's wait for another tutorial.
Hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you